If you want to buy the Sony Pro VPL-PHZ51 3 LCD laser projector, then the link is in the description. This is a high-performance laser projector designed for those who need serious brightness, precise color, and professional-grade reliability. It's built to perform in any environment, whether that's a corporate boardroom, classroom, event hall, or even a high-end home theater setup. Starting with brightness, the projector pushes out 5,800 lumens, making it one of the brightest in its class. Even in well-lit rooms, the image remains crisp, vibrant, and easy to read. It uses 3 LCD technology, which ensures colors stay natural and balanced without the rainbow artifacts that can plague other projectors. Whites look clean, colors look realistic, and overall, the visuals feel polished and professional. The projector supports 4K 60p input, which is then scaled to WUXGA resolution. While it's not native 4K, it processes high-resolution input beautifully, maintaining clarity and sharpness. This makes it ideal for presentations with detailed graphics, movies, and even gaming setups. Motion handling is smooth and fluid, so fast transitions don't look jittery, and text stays readable even at the edges of the screen. One of the standout features is the laser light source, which can last up to 20,000 hours. That means no frequent lamp replacements and minimal maintenance, letting you focus on the content rather than worrying about equipment. It also has an auto power-on feature that wakes the projector instantly, eliminating long warm-up times. From the moment you turn it on, it's ready to deliver a bright and sharp image. Installation is flexible thanks to manual focus and a 1.6x zoom lens. Whether it's ceiling-mounted, table-mounted, or rear projection, the projector adapts to different room sizes and setups. It also features lens shift capabilities for precise image positioning. This makes it incredibly versatile for professional spaces or custom home installations. A built-in 16W speaker adds convenience for smaller rooms or situations where external audio isn't available. While not a replacement for a full sound system, it's strong enough to handle presentations, meetings, or casual movie watching. For larger setups, pairing it with an external audio system will elevate the experience even further. Connectivity options are abundant. With multiple HDMI ports and support for modern devices, you can connect laptops, streaming devices, and media players easily. It's compatible with various sources, making it highly adaptable for both professional and entertainment use. In daily use, this projector delivers consistent performance. Colors remain accurate, brightness remains strong, and reliability is exceptional. It's engineered to perform without compromise, making it an excellent choice for professionals, educators, and anyone who values high-quality projection. The Sony Pro VPL-PHZ51 combines brightness, precision, and durability in a compact, versatile package. Its low-maintenance laser engine, flexible installation options, and crisp, vibrant output make it one of the best professional and high-end home projectors available. If you're looking to upgrade your visual setup, it's a solid investment. Check the link in the description to purchase and explore the latest pricing for this projector. It's designed to make every image sharp, every color accurate, and every presentation or movie truly stand out.